this is hard. Oh, let's do it this way. I'm actually Go, see, go, take it. What the heck? 1, 2, 3. 3 is now in first place.
So this baby is not this baby. This baby is her. It's crazy.
You don't need the lyrics. Look at her. Don't think that I'm not interested.
Take it away. We just got done eating our tacos and we walked to this track and now we're about to have a little nightcap. Test out how good the night vision video is. Actually not bad.
If you turn up the brightness, maybe.
Yeah. It's no joke, we literally just saw a shooting star.
It was so cool.
And it was like,
Went like halfway across the sky. It was green.
wow, that was so 낭만적이야.
It was so 낭만적.
There's a new vocabulary word I learned today.
I haven't eaten at CPK in years, but I actually like their food. We got the cauliflower appetizer, the burnt ends pizza, and the California Club pizza. And then we did some big bag activities and got a sundae for dessert.
Good morning. It's my birthday and it's a Wednesday and I'm working, but I'm very thankful because it's really nice out today. And I think today is the last like spring day before the weather drops back down to like the 50s, 30s later this week. So I'm thankful and I'm just working now, but later on I'm meeting up with some friends and I'm eating miyeokguk, which is seaweed soup. Like traditionally it's eaten on birthdays. So yeah.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd.
I entered my boot camp era. I just went to take a leisurely walk and enjoy the weather. And this man out here doing squats, push-ups, and running miles. Wow. Holy Shinto beans.
Holy Shinto beans. Holy Shinto beans is right. Wow. Hold on. All right.
Wow.
Wow. All right, look at this.
I'm salivating.
Wow. 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 Amazing.
Perfect.
Amazing.
I'm not gonna lie, that webbing thing kind of freaks me out a little bit. Oh, it's hot.
Damn, boy. That's looking crazy.
너무 맛있어요. Yo, the flavor is so much better this time.
Really? Really? Man, this is looking crazy.
The miyeokguks.
Amazing.
Alright, so what's the plan?
What the plan is, we're going to run 70% way through, and Grace will be walking. So once we run 0.7 miles, we're gonna head back 0.3 miles, and I'm guesstimating that she'll be there, around there.
Okay.
And then we'll walk.
Let's get it.
Going. What do you? It might be.
There's the eagle's nest, and I think
Dude, it is.
Wait, do that again. The eagle is in there. You see that little white? Oh my gosh, it is.
You see it, right?
That is the eagle. So now that we're done working out, we are going to work on some other stuff. I'm going to edit some vlogs, and then you are.
I'm working on a presentation for work. Gotta lock in, you know.
Got an almond scone, a crumb cake, and a iced chai latte with oat milk.
Hello.
We're gonna wait about 20 minutes until our table opens up, and then we're gonna eat some sushi. Cheers! So I'm at Chasing Tails. My friends are treating me to some seafood boil for my birthday. Bloopers. He said I need to go to jail for doing this. Thank you. Okay. I don't know how vloggers do this. How do they eat and record at the same time? For YouTube. Alright, never mind. I'm just gonna eat. Bye. Do a little, ooh, keep my chocolate.
Well, I'm not magic.
You gotta do it smooth, though. You gotta do it smooth. That's it. I don't know what. I feel like we're eating metal.
We're telekinetic.
And like me. Oh, she's so different.
Pizza vibes.
Like it's so cool.
Cheers! So this is her birthday party. She's born one day before me, but like a couple years apart. How do you feel about your birthday party?
Came to US Pocha and we're having a great time. We're shooting by from California. I'm not from California.
Are we gonna cheers? Cheers! Taking turns watching each other's YouTube vlogs. This is AJ's vlog.
AJ Coup 52.
Late, but they didn't come empty-handed.
You know.
Hi.
For you. What the fuck? That was embarrassing. Yeah. Renee might get it. Renee might get it here.
Alright, so the goal of this game is whoever flicks that little thing off, the people on the sides have to take a shot. Why are you talking during my vlog?
Are you done?
And by the way, that's my vlog in the background playing.
Yeah, that's actually gin.
That is not gin. That
No,
was,
it is.
It
No,
was
it's
cloudy.
gin.
That was like soju.
I put lemon in it. It's actually
Oh,
gin.
okay. Can you put lemon in mine?
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, there might not be space for lemon.
And straight up gin it is.
He's gone, bro.